is Victoria, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I will be trying things that are made only of egg. So as many of you guys know, I've been egg fasting. It's only the second day and I am sick of eggs, to be honest. So what do? I was like, I'm gonna check to see if there is recipes that only include egg and maybe something else, but they are completely just egg. These are all recipes that I found that are good for egg fasting. So I don't want to talk too much. I will sit down with you guys, tell you guys how this food tastes. I literally just made everything, so I don't even know how they taste. I did not taste anything. You guys will see firsthand on camera, and then I will also leave the ingredients, directions, everything like that down in the description box for you if you guys want to go ahead and try these recipes too. But I will tell you for sure if they're good or if they're bad. But I will still leave the recipes in the description in case you want to change them up a little bit. But anyways, enough talking, let's get straight into this video. And that is how everything looks. These are all just made just of egg. And like I said, I'll leave the recipe down in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check them out. So I'm not going to try this in any order. Like I said to you guys, I have not actually tried them, so I don't know if they're going to taste good or bad. So first I have cloud bread. I'm sure you guys have heard about cloud bread. I tried to make it before I was keto and it just turned out terrible. This time around it actually turned out good. So I'm excited to try it. And I also got some waffles. Purely just made out of egg. Look how thin they are. And then I also have what is called, like I guess it's just like a keto chip. It's made with cheese and egg. And it didn't turn out like the way I expected it to turn out. It was, okay, well, I'll just show you guys. So the first one actually turned out pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. It actually looks like a chip, turned out like a chip. Probably gonna taste good. But the rest of them just expanded. Look how much these ones expanded compared to that first one. I'll show you again closer. So yeah, look at this. It's huge compared to just this tiny piece. So I don't know why some of them expanded like that, but I'm gonna give those a try as well, of course. Okay, I'm gonna leave the waffles for last because I want to use a little bit of keto-friendly syrup. So let's try the chips first. Actually, let me try the one that's supposed to be good. The one that turned out pretty good. Yeah, that's really good. So they're all gonna taste, of course, the same, but they're just thicker. I think the thinner one is going to be the best one, but let's see. When they're thick like this, it's just like egg bites. They're not really like the chip kind of thing. They turned out like actual egg and they fluffed up. So let's see. It's good, but like I said, it just tastes like egg. This one is actually really good. It tastes like what you would think a chip tastes like. So when I do make this again, I will make sure I don't put so much egg yolk. I think that's why. This one had like the least egg yolk and it turned out super thin, a little bit crispy. But this one, it just tastes like, just like an egg. Okay, So now I'm gonna try the cloud bread. It looks really good. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds like it's just like fluffy stuff. I think it's really good. I like that. I put salt in mine to make it like more, because I thought it would taste good like that. But actually maybe sugar would taste good. Not actual sugar, but like sweetener. I think it's like super fluffy, and I imagine it to be like, yeah, kind of like a pancake. So I put like sugar in there, or I just leave the salt out so it has more of a, just a neutral taste, but it's really good. I like it. The next time I make these, I will put sugar in them or sweetener. Guys, you know my recipes are super easy. These are super easy. I didn't include cooking and showing you guys the recipe today because I know that the video would be super long because I tend to talk a lot and that's a lot of editing. So I was like, let me just sit down, actually taste them with you guys, because I don't know how these recipes are going to turn out. So I was like, let me try them on camera and link them in the description so you guys can try them for yourselves. I think this one's my favorite one so far, the cloud bread. I got a little of this. I talked about it in my last video. It's just like maple syrup. I don't know how to pronounce these ingredients in there, but if you guys know this company, can't really see it, but it's a keto company, so it's keto friendly sweetener or maple syrup. I just don't know if it's okay on the egg fast, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I think it should be okay because on an egg fast you can have like sweetener or diet pop, just not a lot of it. So I'm gonna try this. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's quite a few of them. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm just gonna roll it up like a, kind of like a crepe. Oh my goodness. I think this one might be my new favorite one. Oh my goodness, guys, that is so good. Okay, yeah, I think that's my favorite one. That kicked the cloud bread out of the water. I don't know. Maybe the cloud bread would taste better if it was sweet, like I said as well. Or maybe I'm just craving a little bit of sweets. I have no clue. But this one is so good. The egg fast waffle. It's just literally eggs. Like, and then I put it on the waffle maker. And I think it turned out so good. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was fun to film, so I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Do not forget to like this video if you do like it. Also, you can give it a thumbs down if you don't like it. Just give me some feedback in the comments and I will make the videos better for you. So I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye guys.